Lord Soifo Manuia, lo Fionga Savea.
Yeah, whamoemoe sa manuia. How was your weekend and being around the family or doing some other wonderful things with the family in the weekend?
Yeah, ngai al weekend ngai le la, ngai le la. Just ngali relax, we spend time with the ainga and saw a couple of clients in the weekend as well. Otherwise, had the local, went to church and yeah, ngali just relax. Not many things in the weekend. Just enjoyed the beautiful weather. How about yourself, Savia?
Ia, o le
What
mea
did you see
lava
the
e
weekend?
tasi o sa whainga ruenga i le stona.
Oh, you're sa.
Ia, ona malolo ai lola ia le le fiafi. Ia, au
Ngai.
kai lola ia le alu loku le sa.
Yeah.
Ia, ai ui o le ala ia nga le mai le tua lama mai. Le
Lola.
tau sa i ringa fo o le malosi la tō ia whaatino ai ia. Ia, awa o le si vanga na o le tau o le taluanga i le so.
Yeah.
You're warrant of fitness for your health check, malo tangata, malatino, your physical being, your your mental capacity, your mea umalava. La le tāua tele, le whai masiaki ma whaila warrant of fitness o lo soifua maloloina.
Certainly. Just firstly, just a small disclaimer, Savea, it's just high-level generic information. It's not advice among me as advice. Can really may out, I'll come and see you and go through advice process. But mang really, warrant of fitness, whanongo le upunga warrant of fitness, o le mea mawhawhau le ui. Le ka vale. Warrant of fitness le stika le ku le whamlama le ka vale. E ka konga renew expire warrant of fitness e sala ka ko leo al malo ula fongo. But o le warrant of fitness in this case, in this context, winga is a medical warrant of fitness. If I ka pingo so for me, a fellow warrant of fitness, lesi aso with for my so aluar for my you want to do a quick medical warrant of fitness. Kang for my shaki oi me blood sugar, blood pressure, sakit faku, sakit koko maulunga, lungs, heart. So se mea ke mga miai. That's the meaning of warrant of fitness. Just to make sure no surprises because but you don't know about it because check the mele warrant of fitness because whatever the old for my sanga and so that's why every time maybe every singa or every 3 months I don't for my le shakile le warrant of fitness if and it doesn't le normal doctors visit invoice best if I can go for yourself Auckland masalu kong fi I go for west maybe los frukala shakilo for my just to make sure for peace of mind and so that way if your doctor for my then they can prescribe some medication or give you a diet plan to improve the menga le mafuade like suka or koko maulunga or anything like that. So yeah, every time to go and get a check with the formai shaki uman melo kingo, and that is the meaning warrant of fitness, medical warrant of fitness. Very taua.
Malo is the taua tele wa life up here tang actually. Ela foi le medical le foi le warrant of fitness la wudi ia le lo ele le tavale le tatalo ia o le tangata le e soifua ina ia mautinoa ia le lei lona tino le lei ia lona soifua maloloina ma umi le soifua.
Yes.
Can you have multiple life insurance cover? In fact, certain company for Elisio low insure, this company for Elisio policy or insurance.
Yes, man, it facilitates. You can have multiple life insurance. ICI insurance, insurance because otherwise, for example, if you have multiple medical insurance or multiple income protection, yeah, e mai maulu ke mi e whai because e kongi ngā insurances mai maulu kupe kongi insurance le ya company le marisi insurance company le ai o lor ke mi e claim ai ngai kasi ale cover e mawhainga claim ai and but for life insurance e ngai life insurance because you can have more than one ai mango mia face life insurance for example le masfulu afe ka la e pui e lo langa pe amaliu with one company, and then you really another company, and you do another selawafe with a different company, and then you do one more, like Golu life insurances are. Like let's say, for example, the Chubb Insurance layer, Partners Life, AIA layer, Golu life insurance, they spread out amongst Golu companies. MFA. So, Lord Gaming, I kupuele, Flavelave, Maliui, then yeah, all three companies in Mawhainga pay out. So we go here. And so you're able to do that. People that I see, customers, they more than one life insurance. And so...
I feel about te ua o le mwhauna afford pe taunga whasi taunga tā and whai, can you work out something to do that and be affordable?
Certainly. So often kele life insurance e alu lunga go every year go sanga, and so it becomes quite gonga, and then a lot of customers they feel we le mawhainga ko kongi life insurance le o gonga kele, and then first thing ma for la ko si le cancel le cover le o gonga kele. So the best thing to do is look at reviewing the cover with someone like me, insurance company, and look at reducing the cover first. Say, I will cancel straight away, but you don't think about the consequence of cancelling it, because kill cancelled cover, and then kupuseme next year we're too late, because we're cancelled cover. And so if it becomes too konka, it's the best time to review it, to see what we can do to make it, like you said, make it more affordable. Cover. At least you still got some cover. I cancel cover, yeah. Then, that can have some complications there about when it's time to put a claim in. So, yes, it's good to have multiple covers. I say, long as you can afford it. Otherwise, one cover to keep it affordable for you.
Malo ta abu tele lo whawhangafonga bai ia le tātou au whalongolongo ia ma tātou paanga fo I tawha es langi a ma whasofa mo le uso ia Matt Luatua o se li I fau mo le leo le paketi o au tupe mau o tupe whaalu ai maise o le pui o fo I o lau soifua pe a tupus whaalu lave a o lo iaise insurance and whai ona tua ilti nā le aingambar whanau ia po ole tamafo ia malana whanau o leo tu tasi na o naia. Let's talk about BMI ole body mass index lena.
Yeah.
Ta ua tele walanga e vava ai whapete o tātou la popo o tele mafa lo noinga e tele le ngā o le tino le tangata ma vave mai ai. Le ta ua le mele wai ai ia ona limitations po o tapu ina ia tau fia.
There's limitations with the the rules of the insurance companies. May se alme leo le BMI o le mamafa kangaka and also le mawalunga kangaka. And so if you lo BMI a mawalunga lo BMI o le rating o le BMI o le fase fulu over le fase fulu le BMI o langa winga o mamafa ke rero paunga for your maunga for your height o pu le kiki ai mamafa ke rero paunga then your BMI e aulu lunga over le fase fulu, which means it's too risky for the insurance company pea ke mga mia face life insurance or face medical insurance or trauma insurance or income protection insurance. Insurance is based on the melea or the BMI. And so it's why when I see customers, if I go mamafa ke re customer, I ring the insurance company ka the age go sanga lo customer, fi go sanga lo customer, the height and the weight, before I put the application through, and I get a pre-assessment from the insurance company. And most of the times, for imaikala le kali le insurance company ule mawhainga kaulia, income protection, trauma, medical, and le life insurance. I'm mawhainga whai. But the life insurance, for example, for ngale whaile se lau awhi le life insurance, then the price it's gonna be more loaded, so more konga than so kangaka palange by in the same cover se lau awhi, their cover will be cheaper because will mamar BMI, but for kangaka lai mamafar BMI, then 100,000 life insurance the price is much higher because of the BMI. So end of the day, bawa me kalo sie mawhainga maua o le life insurance, but not the other products because of the BMI is a very strict kulafonga with the insurance companies and their rules and regulations.
Malo whaatai tā ua tele le tātala noanga wai. O mea nei e sila sila ia. Awa insurance companies, they have their own doctors too.
Yes.
Rātou te consult ma rātou whaatala noanga. Ma mai a rātou independent report I lea claim, ma lea claim.
Yes. But I see me for if the BMI has some other pre-existing condition like diabetes, if I got BMI, diabetes, sometimes they go even the life insurance, they put a deferral for 1 year, and they say long I lower the BMI, lose weight, and then we review it after 1 year. So it depends because, like you said, like every insurance company they have specialized doctors and nurses. They go around, they do checks on the client to see whether it go or not for the life insurance because the BMI is too high and the criteria is very, very strict. Very strict.
Malo, whaatai tā ua tele. Ao whawhonga mali tātou o tunu, wana se peni ma se pepa e tusi ele telefoni ele nei sunga ia Matt Luatua, o lua fitu, valu tolu iwa, tasi fitu, tasi wha. O lua fitu, valu tolu iwa, tasi fitu, tasi wha. Ia po le telefoni fo ia leise tongi, o le o valu, le toi whawhonga mai, o lima, o valu, wha, o fa te whaalongo tasi al numero na leise tong o lima o valu fa o fa ya le ta le na o le mbaua le numero te vala awai ia ma so tai fo ma tal no ma le sunga Matt Luatua is policy te loa e talafenga le leimo oi stepped cover versus level covered.
So stepped cover e alulunga le kau every year. Kau sanga umapea when you get to your next birthday or aswangau, then e lafu a kusi insurance company, your price like kongi oi will go up every year, but also the amount of the cover e alulunga for irakiki, which is good. But then after maybe 5 to 10 years, they're facing kong kale insurance. With the step cover, because every year level cover, they lock the cover in, so every year what you pay, so for example, for life insurance of for example, only $50 a week lo pay for 100,000 life insurance. Yeah, kau sanga umau le lima sukala alveaso ele alulunga de kau because it's a level, it's locked in. But our failure stepped, it will increase every year because of your birthday. So it's good to have a look at those covers and review it. The insurance policy after a few years, look at doing a level locked in price. That way, it saves you cancelling the policy. It stays the same.
Tai tu sama le fixed rate or interest rate or floating interest rate?
More cases.
Yeah.
If I sing a singer, because more cases are different again. Floating, obviously, fixed. yeah, it's a different kind of concept of the mortgage loans than the insurance here. But me ka ua me le if it's affordable, kalos here you can afford the level cover. E silinga whaile level cover e le alunga. It just stays the same. That way, in mawhaingai whailo budget every year is the same price you're paying e le alunga kau. Otherwise, a lot of people, if I'm a cancel a policy after a few years because the step cover will come kakele after a few years. And so that's the risk of that.
Mo le avanoa tātala noa ai, ia mata wha so foi. Mana tua le telefoni o mat, I so se mata upu tau insurance, ia po le mo kesi foi, ia so sani e pui puia la mo kesi, pui puia la wala tupe e maua. O le o lua fitu, valu tolu iwa, tasi fitu, tasi fa. Ia, Matt, upu mulmuli mai lau sunga, ia, o na tātau mawai ai lea, ma le wha lalo lea fiafi.
Tai lava Savea mo le avanoa, ai ma moli atu le whawhitai ma le malo I tau lau tau pa ia, ma mamalu Samoa, I lau tau whawhonga, I lau polo kalame, I le ni a so Savea, ma lau whawhitai, ma lau nung sai, ma lau tapuai, ia whamanuele atua, I tau ti ma Faiva, I le ni a so soifua, tai lava Savea,
le ngoa. Uso,
soifua.
Ia tele le fiafi, wha soifua ia.